science of Krishna, the topmost knowledge, is not taught in schools and colleges. However, the students from VIT had the great fortune to learn the science of Krishna and visit Krishna's holy dhams.
श्री जगन्नाथपुरी धाम के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
श्री जगन्नाथपुरी धाम को श्री क्षेत्र कहते हैं, पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र कहते हैं। इसके बारे में स्कंद पुराण में बताया गया है जगन्नाथ जी कैसे उनका आविर्भाव हुआ। जगन्नाथ जी भगवान कृष्ण के रूप है जो वृंदावन में अपने भक्तों से विरह का अनुभव कर रहे हैं।
जगन्नाथ के प्रसाद के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
आज के लिए इतना ही, बाकी का
Sri Jagannath Puri, the abode of the Lord of the universe. After a blissful darshan at Sri Mandir, we began our parikrama of Puri with Harinam Sankirtan. This is Shweta Ganga, a panda from Sri Mandir who could not visit Haridwar for Ganga Snan was transported there simply by dipping here by the mercy of Lord Jagannath. Located right next to here is the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, the chief priest of the Jagannath temple when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited here. Mahaprabhu converted him from impersonalism to Vaishnavism here. Here we met His Grace Mayapur Chandra Prabhu, a disciple of Srila Prabhupada. This is Sri Gambhira. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu resided here for 18 years during his pastimes in Jagannath Puri. We performed an ecstatic kirtan, feeling fortunate to be at such a significant place of Mahaprabhu's pastimes. Gauriya Vaishnavas aspire to chant the holy name purely and so visit Siddha Bakul to get the mercy of Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur. After Siddha Bakul, we visited the Samadhi of Srila Haridas Thakur. Close to Haridas Thakur Samadhi is ISKCON Puri, built on the site of Bhakti Vinod Thakur's Bhajan Kutir, where he came after taking Babaji Vesha. Sri Jagannath Puri is also known as Narsimha Kshetra because this temple predates the Jagannath temple. Our visit here coincided with Narsimha Chaturdashi, and on this auspicious day we took darshan of Lord Narsimha.
Just before coming here nearby, we passed through Gundicha temple. The water for cleaning Gundicha temple was taken from here. They formed a chain. They put the matka and like that it went from person to person until the Gundicha temple. It's mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami that because the deity comes in Gundicha, it was clean first. So he writes that before the Lord has to come in our heart, it has to be clean. Cheto Darpana Marjana.
Sridham Mayapur, the most powerful dham in Kali Yuga.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Currently we are situated in Rudra Dweep. You can say materially this is part of Nadia district of West Bengal in India. But actually Dham is not part of the material world. It appears like that. We are in a normal place, the material world, but this is a Dham. And it descended when avatar of Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu descended, he brought his Dham also. So Navadvip Dham, this place where we are, is the place of appearance and pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the Yuga avatar of Kali Yuga.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. This is Chaitanya Math. This was headquarters of Gaudiya Math. And just like ISKCON, when people came to ISKCON, to Mayapur, ISKCON devotees go there, all facilities are provided. So similarly here also, this was the center of Gaudiya Math. Srila Prabhupada of ISKCON, he met Bhakti Saraswati Thakur many times in his place here.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
After visiting these holy places, we returned for lunch and received the mercy of Sri Panchatattva and Sri Sri Radha Madhav in the form of their Rajabhog Mahaprasad. Next day, we continued our parikrama with first visit to Nandanacharya Bhavan, the place where Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda first met. There are 9 forms of bhakti, and among the 9 islands of Navadvip, Godrum represents Kirtanam. Surabhi Kunj is where Indradev performed Gaur Bhajan with Surabhi after the Govardhan Leela in Vrindavan.
This is a bhajan kutir of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He is a prominent acharya in the Gaudiya Sampradaya. He was the, you could say, transcendental father of Srila Prabhupada's guru. And third behind Srila Prabhupada in our Gaudiya Parampara. He made a great contribution to our Sampradaya, especially in terms of bhajans and philosophical writings.
This concludes our yatra to Sri Jagannath Puri and Sri Navadvip Dham. We felt grateful to Sri Jagannath, Sri Sri Radha Madhav, Sri Panchatattva and Sri Narsimhadev for allowing us entrance into these holy dhams. Jaya Jaya Navadvip Chandra Shachi Sutta, Jaya Jaya Nityananda Raya Avadhuta, Jaya Jaya Navadvip Sarva Dhama Sara, Yathaya Haila Sri Chaitanya Avatara. All glory to the son of Shachi, the moon of Navadvipa. All glory to the Avadhuta Nityananda Raya. All glory to the best of all abodes, Navadvipa, where Sri Chaitanya appeared.
श्री नवदीप धाम की जय जय।